We're just gonna risk getting food poisoning.
My stomach.
Ah, damn
It
it.
hurts. Oh, it hurts.
Look here, buddy. You may think that I'm an easy mark. I guarantee you I'm not. Let's see if I can't get it now. Not too close, not too close, not too close. How about that? Oh, come on. Don't move. Welcome back to the Long Dark Wintermute. I am Aliashona Silverbow. So last time I did some exploring, finally explored the area that I had to climb up to, found out that I didn't actually have to climb up to it, but you know, it's pretty much just woods up there, nothing too exciting. And then I went and I got another cache. I may or may not have killed another wolf. It ran away with a flare on it. Not dead, but certainly injured. Wasn't trying to make the thing suffer, but is what it is, I suppose. So, I don't want to light this for too long. So I think what I'll do, if I have the supplies on me, is start a fire now. Now, normally, my chance of success is 75, isn't it? And now it seems to be 5% lower? Maybe that's just my imagination, I don't know. Today what I want to do is some more exploring. Oh wait, no, I wanted to first... So, I want to make the rabbit skin hat, because that'll be really good. But I need for it to get a little bit lighter before I do that. In the meantime, I should probably eat some stuff. I've got the supplies for it on me. Oh, as well as some other stuff to lay out to be cured. I was planning to eat some stuff, so I don't know if I really needed this fire or not. I'm still tired, apparently. Why don't I sleep a little longer then? I guess I did use a lot of energy yesterday. Okay, that's better. And I don't need the torch out. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these out to cure. See how we're doing on that stuff. So, I think I have everything I need to craft this. Okay, so it says it's going to take 3.5 hours, not 7 hours. Oh, so you don't have to spend... Oh, interesting. So you don't have to spend the whole... Oh, that's why I thought I was going to say 7 hours. Or be 7 hours. Okay, I see. So you don't have to spend the whole time crafting it. You can craft it in parts. Interesting. How's my... before I do anything else, let's go ahead and eat and drink and be merry. Nope. Okay. Okay. So now I should have a really nice hat that I can wear. And I think this is still better than... yeah, it's better than that. I do actually want to check how combat pants compare, because I'm thinking it could be better. And in that case, I'm going to spend more time, I guess, doing nothing around here. Yeah. It's everything from there. More combat pants. Okay. Oh, I need to get some cloth. Like spending the daylight just inside on what was probably... Well, now the wind's picked up. So I spent all that time when the wind was nice and calm inside. So maybe today we'll just be going to check on the rabbits. But for now, I think for the most part it's better. So we'll go with that. Okay. Drop these off. Okay. Okay, why don't I go ahead and drink this soda. And then I'm gonna go check on my rabbit snares. Balls. Oh gosh, this is terrible condition to go out in. I think I'll be okay. I don't think I'm gonna get lost. I say it with great confidence. In one sense, this near draw distance, like with the fog and everything, makes it like a close draw distance. I remember playing games where this was like the normal draw distance. You couldn't see further than this. I mean, this was back in the 90s, but still. So I think through here I should see the house. Yes. Okay, okay. I am where I thought I was. What does it even feel like? Too cold, that's what it feels like. Oh, that one has a rabbit now. Okay, well I'm glad I checked it.
This'll come in handy.
Okay, I don't see any of the animals. They are probably all hunkered down because, yeah. Okay. I need to skin, need to harvest the rabbit. Okay.
Damn it.
Oh, I didn't need to grab another book. I think when it fails to light, you lose the tinder and the match.
That
Oh
didn't
my
work.
goodness. But not the fuel itself. Because I guess the idea is, oh, right, I moved my wood making stuff to, wait, is it in here? Yep, apparently so. Okay. There we go.
That did it.
Now I need to get some sticks. Nope. Oh, 30 minutes is all I needed. Well, oh, that one doesn't even need that much. So I have 3 more rabbit pelts curing. I just need 1 more rabbit pelt. And then once those 4 are cured, then I can make the gloves. Okay, that's done. Oh, good, it's done. Yeah, so this is the next one. It takes 4 cured rabbit pelts. Okay, tinder plug. Oh! I can make tinder plug from sticks. I can make... Oh, the last video I was getting so frustrated that I didn't have any tinder on me. There were sticks everywhere. I didn't... Well, now I know. Okay. I don't want to waste my lantern. You're just going to have to deal with how dark it is. There isn't anything more I want to do tonight anyways, so I'm going to sleep until morning. Said I was going to sleep until morning, but it's definitely not morning. And
I could use a drink.
It's too early for drinks, Mackenzie. Okay. Okay. So I got a torch now. I wanted to eat one of the fish that's... Oh gosh, they are definitely going bad fast. So we're just going to risk getting food poisoning. So far so good. Go ahead and drink some water. And risk eating the other bad fish.
My stomach.
Ah, damn it.
It hurts. Oh, it hurts.
Okay. So, what do I need to do for that? I need, that T symbol. See, I'm not sure. Okay, I need to look this up. Okay, so the reishi tea is like the antibiotic, which I think is that, right? Yes. So this is it's the reishi tea that I need to make. I think I've been storing it in here, yes? I don't know how many I need. Oh, okay. I dropped that torch. Well. Okay. So then to make the reishi, okay, it's gonna take some of the mushrooms. 2 of them to be precise. Okay, and then cook it. Why can't I cook it? Oh, I need more water with me. Right, okay. Okay. cook it. 10 minutes, it's going to be 12 minutes. Perfect. So 10 of 10 hours, which means I'm going to have to rest for 10 hours. Okay. So now I'm going to have the food poisoning for 10 hours. So let's just sleep for 10 hours. Oh gosh, 2 days wasted. Man, this is not great. Okay, well, it's still light out. Still light out. How are we doing on this food? Probably gonna need to risk more food poisoning. This is stupid, but I'm gonna do it. Okay. I don't know what the chances are one way or the other. I'm gonna go check my rabbit snares. Since that's probably about all the time I really have for the light. I mean, I suppose I could try to make my way over to that other watchtower and then just stay the night there. But I need to get the rabbits anyways. Oh, that deer startled me. I thought it was a wolf for a moment. I thought, oh no, the wolf's back. But nope, just a deer. So I guess that is one problem with having too much meat, is how quickly it goes bad, because it has a much higher threshold before it goes bad. It looks like I caught 2 rabbits. But yeah, it has a much higher threshold to go bad, so it goes bad much faster.
This stuff will come in handy.
And it decays pretty fast, so... Okay. So this gets me an extra rabbit pelt. Okay, so the wind has stopped. Yeah, the sun's gonna set soon. So I am wondering if I want to try to do an overnight stint at that watchtower, but it would mean I'd have to get out to the watchtower before it got too dark. And then I'd have to hope... Well, I guess I could take a bedroll with me, but that takes up an extra kilogram of inventory weight that I wouldn't want to take if I could help it. But if I don't take it, then I'd have to hope that there's actually a bed, which you would think that there'd be at least one bed in a watchtower. Okay. So there's still some light. So I'm going to come up here. Did I leave the sticks on me? I did leave all those sticks on me. Well, that's fine. I'm going to want to build a fire anyway here in a minute. Well... in about 90 minutes to be more precise. Let's see if I can't find a book in the dark. Found the shelf. Oh, I did find a book in the dark. Cool. I know, you probably can't see a thing. My apologies.
All right.
Okay. Okay, so that should be long enough, right? 27 minutes, 28 minutes. Okay, yeah, that'll be long enough for both of them to cook. And in the meantime, I wanted to see if I couldn't sharpen my hunting knife. Okay. Okay, this is going to be risking food poisoning again. Just on the off chance that I get food poisoning, I want there to be a fire. Okay. Okay, so for realsies this time, tomorrow I'm going out and I'm doing stuff. Oh, I am super thirsty. Wait, no, I don't want the trunk. Gosh, gotta just stumble around in the dark here. Oh, I did want the trunk. That's right, I store my water in the trunk. I know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so... Okay, good. There's now enough light in here that I can see well enough to get around. Is there anything else in my inventory I want to drop before I go? Don't think so. And my clothes are good and dry. Okay, so the goal for today is I want to go to... There's another watchtower over here, and I want to go to this watchtower. So it looked like the way to get up there was, I think, a path right here in the clear cut that leads up, and I believe that'll lead me up to the watchtower. Now if I go through the logging road over here, I believe it was about here, there were 3 wolves. I would rather not deal with the 3 wolves, plus that's very roundabout. So I'm thinking, I don't think I can get through there. But what I can do is I can come down here, and then I can make my way north. Well, northwest, really. There's some hills in here, but I think I can do that. Plus there's a hunter's blind over here that I could check out. So that's the goal for today. Or the plan for today, I should say. Oh, nice. It's foggy, but otherwise clear. Now when I get over there, I guess I could go see if that wolf that I hit with the flare is still alive, or if it died. But, I mean, I'd really only want to find it if it died. I wouldn't really want to find it if it's still alive. If it's still alive and ran up into the hills and isn't going to be bothering me again, then I'd just as soon let it stay up there. I don't know that that's what will happen. It could still be alive and have moved back to where I originally found it. It could still be alive and be up in the hills where it ran to. I mean, that thing was still running the last I saw it, pretty far away. It could have died. I mean, it had a flare burning in its back, so that can't have been good for its health. Oh, I caught 2 more rabbits, but I don't want to grab them now, so I'll just have to remember that and grab them on the way back, because especially if I'm going to be going over to where there might be wolves, the last thing I need to do is put a scent on me. I want to try to go up this way, see if I can't reach the trail this way. If not, I'm going to have to go back down. Oh, don't sprain an ankle, don't sprain an ankle, don't sprain an ankle. Okay, I'm up here. Is there a trail up here? Where's the trail? Oh, don't tell me I can't get to the trail from here. Okay. Oh, that gets real steep. Don't sprain an ankle. Oh, it's not showing me the steep slope image. Maybe it's the way you're positioned on it? I don't know. I keep saying I don't know, because I don't know. A lot of things I don't know. Is the wolf around? I don't know. Is the wolf still alive? I don't know. Yeah. A lot of things I just don't know. Okay. I don't think the wolf is around. I see some bunnies over there. And a deer. Okay, the wolf is clearly not in the clearing. But the question is the wolf still alive? And if so, is it up there? If it's not alive and it's dead, is its body up there? I could have maybe in the moment tried to track it down by following its blood drops and such, but it was running. It was going. And it could have ended up in some obscure spot that would have been really hard to reach safely, so... A nice lookout point here. I'll take a little look-see. Oh, you can see the frozen creek down there. Oh!
I better take this food.
Well, it's still in pretty good shape. This one less so, but still okay. Oh. Okay, well this watchtower's been completely destroyed.
That'll come in handy.
Glad I didn't try to come up here and stay the night.
Could end up being useful.
Does the scarf... No, scarf goes around your neck. I guess it counts as a headpiece. Can I get up there? Can I get up there? No. I guess not. Ooh, a supply bin though.
What have we here?
Oh, some mountaineering rope. Ooh, nice. Oh, I think I just accidentally right-clicked on this. That is about to go bad, so that's going to be my next meal. Okay, now... You know, there are guys that do it, but can you imagine? Okay, it looks like the ladder doesn't go all the way up, but can you imagine having to climb a ladder to the top of that thing? Ugh. It'd be quite the view, but... Oh, I'd be terrified. Oh. Okay. Yeah, get me out of here. Okay. Oh, those would be lights. If they worked. Okay, well, I think I've discovered everything up here. Oh, interesting. Are they just gonna fly across? Guess so. Yep, there's the other watchtower that I was in before. When I spied all this over here. Well, since I'm up here, is there any other high point that I think I could get to that might be interesting? Oh, not really. Not that I can see anyways. So I guess what I'll do, I'll head back down. I've still got, oh yeah, much of the day left. And my backpack, my encumbrance level is starting to get a little on the full side. Oop. Sorry, I'm doing stuff off the camera as well, or outside the game in real life at the moment. My cat wandered up in my lap, then she wandered back down. She doesn't jump up or down from my lap anymore. She probably has arthritis or something like that, but yeah, she can't jump up into my lap, and jumping down clearly hurts her, so I just pick her up and put her down. Okay, so this MRE 1750, not quite enough to eat the whole thing. I guess I could eat most of it, and there'd still be some left. Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Okay, it wasn't an option. Okay. The wind's picking up. I was going to go looking for that wolf, but you know what? That's a wild goose chase. Or, I guess, in this case, a wild wolf chase. I don't want to try to find that wolf. I don't even know if it's alive or dead. And I could be searching for a long time before I found it. So these are some actual huts. Oh my goodness, cat! I've brought you up in a... Okay, now you're running from me. I don't know what you want. You have food, you have water, you have clean litter, you have everything you need. Okay, well... Oh, I wonder if this is where the forest talkers are hiding out. Okay, an outhouse. Well, I feel like if this was where the I think Forest Talkers, is that the name of the group? I think if this is where they were hidden out, there would have been a note for me to read that would have indicated something about that, but yeah, I don't know. Unnamed pond. Poor pond. Frontier Shooting Guide. Hunt and kill a stag. Well...
I think I can use this.
There's none that are very close by. And the last time I tried this, I wasted So many bullets. I'm not sure how close I can sneak to one before it notices me. I would think that eventually it would notice me. Okay, the question is, did I actually hit it? I don't see blood. Ah, damn. The other problem is I'm not sure where to line up the iron sight. Like, do I want it in the middle of the circle, or do I want to line it up probably, I guess, at the point at the end there? How close can I get to you before you notice me? Seem to be getting pretty close. Nope. Okay. That close. Good to know. Where do you run to? You run to over there. Okay. Now you're coming right at me. I remember roughly how close I got. Damn. Right, there's a stamina thing. The longer you hold it in aiming, the more stamina it burns. So let's see if I can't get it now. Not too close, not too close, not too close. How about that? Oh, come on, don't move. Oh, headshot. There we go. I did it. Okay. Well, I'm about to spend a lot of time. Oh, that's a lot of meat. That is 2 hours harvesting all this. Oh, and of course I'm now way over encumbered. Oh gosh, okay. Oh yeah, it's about the same distance.
Too much stuff to carry.
Either way. Well, my cat is meowing at me incessantly, and I do not know what she wants. It's honestly a little frustrating, because I wish I knew what she wanted. Okay, well, I guess that's actually good practice with the rifle, so that I know how to use it when I face the bear. Granted, as the trapper pointed out, it's not going to be effective against the bear other than scaring it off. Oh, you know what would be nice? If there was like some outdoor storage container that would allow me to store food out there that could then keep it longer, but that may, well, I don't know, because that may cause problems with the wildlife, because they talk about bear-safe food storage. Oh, shit. Look here, buddy. I got a gun thingy. And I'm glad I didn't hit you because... Oh gosh, I'm going in the same direction as you. It's probably still going to come after me because I have a lot of smell on me. I just know it. Look here, buddy. You may think that I'm an easy mark. I guarantee you I'm not. Okay. I don't want to lead you over to my nice deer and wolf spot. Okay, you weren't a moment ago. The question is... No, I'm gonna leave it. I already have so much meat on me, I can come back to it later. But... yeah, I'm already over-encumbered. In fact, I think I'm going to leave the rabbits. Tell you what I'll do. I will get a fire going, make sure it's going just long enough to cook one of the steaks. And then I will come back out here, get these rabbits, harvest that wolf, and then go back. And the reason I'm gonna make the fires burn just long enough to cook one of the steaks is that way I don't have to worry about whether or not it's gonna burn. Whether or not I'll get back in time before it burns. Come on, bunnies, I'm not trying to chase you away from that spot. You're the ones running. Alright, I think I probably have enough fire starting stuff on me. "45 minutes, okay. Oh, I need sticks. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, so that's not going to burn.
Turned out pretty well.
Okay. Okay, I need to get just a few more sticks. Oh my goodness, cat. She is meowing at me incessantly. I don't know what she wants. Sometimes I do know. I can figure out what she wants, but this is not one of those times. Okay. So, right. Yeah. Okay, so that's not gonna burn it. Okay. So this is gonna cure. Let's head back out before it gets too dark. Sun's already setting. course, now that I think about it, I say I'm gonna head out here real quick, get the rabbits, and harvest the wolf. It's gonna be dark by the time I get back. I'm wondering if I want to just let the wolf go, because that's gonna be well, it's gonna be a lot of meat, but if all I eat is the meat, I should be able to get through it before it all goes bad. I don't know.
This stuff will come in handy.
I love my cat. I really do. She is precious to me. But sometimes she meows at me incessantly, and I cannot figure out what it is that she wants. She has water, food, a clean litter. I put her in my lap. She wants down. I can't figure out what it is she wants. Oh, this is a lot of meat. Now, I could take less time and not get... Like, the hide adds 30 minutes. Each one of those adds 10 minutes. So I could just do 41 minutes to get all the meat. I have a fair bit of leather now. And quite a few guts. I think I'm just going to get the meat.
Getting kind of thirsty. Feels like night is coming.
Oh, and I have a sprain affliction again. It'd be funny if there were already rabbits caught in
Pack is getting kind of
the
heavy.
snares. Okay, so there is still, I mean, the sun may have set, but there's still plenty of light for me to see by. Okay, these rabbits are like running. I'm not trying to chase you away from your home, guys. Guys. I want you to go back. Hippity hop back to your home now. Okay. Oh, you're an idiot. Whatever. Let's try a lap again. Do you want to be up here? Do you want to snuggle? I think what I want to do is I want to finish cooking and harvesting everything, which I'll probably be doing through the night, and then end the recording there, because it seems like a good stopping point. Plus, I've been recording for a while, and it's getting pretty late. Well, my cat finally laid down on my lap. Okay. Oh, right. Let me grab this. Okay, so that's going. Let's get... Yeah, I'm getting tired, I know, but... Let's get... these cooking. Nope. Okay, there. Did I not? I need to grab a book. Grab a book.
That did it.
Okay, so there went all the sticks that I had on me. Do I have more sticks? I have some more sticks. I'm gonna have to use some actual proper firewood, I think. But in the meantime, well, why don't I go ahead and do that? I am just still over encumbered. I need to drop some weight. Okay, let's check in here. Oh, I don't know. Okay. So my sprain risk is healed. I don't think I'm going to wait to finish cooking all of these things before I end this video. I'll get the next batch of meat going. Oh, that's going to take 8 minutes. Well, let me check on the food upstairs. Okay, well, the one downstairs will be ready sooner. Sorry, I'm not going to be putting on the lantern for this. You're just going to have to deal with how dark it is. Oh, of course now I have a sprain affliction again. Or sprain risk affliction. I still need to drop lots of weight. Okay, so that'll go for 55 minutes now. These should be almost ready.
I'd eat snow if the hypothermia wouldn't kill me.
No, I should probably... well, shoot, I don't want to eat that because I don't want to deal with getting sick again. So, we'll just grab those. I'm gonna eat... eat that. That didn't give me much at all. Okay, that's giving me more. Okay. I'm going to call it here. If you made it this far in the video, I truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you again next time.